good evening. Welcome back to my channel, Angela Kamal Lifestyle. See, this my friend. Her name is Christine.
Right here at the
The
entrance point.
entrance 5. We are in Al Guler. Al Guler? Al Guler in Riga. Yes, guys. So today we're gonna to see this place. Now we go inside and we will show you also. Like where are we rounding?
See your English.
Don't mind my English, huh? Don't mind my. Sometimes my network is really weak, so out of connection. So English coming from here and there, but really I can speak. Nice English. I know you like it. So guys, just have a look around. I'll just show you because I'm the ground part, lower ground.
This inside the mall. This is how it looks like. Yes.
It's also one of the very beautiful place, decoration, light, and everything. This is a nice rounding place as well. Guys, she's morning. This lady is morning shift. As you guys know, I'm totally free, but I'm gonna I have a work started on Thursday, but today I have a time to take this lady outside to visit the Al Guler Mall. Wow, this is one of the cutest part of this mall. It's really nice. Yeah, sit. See this Christian. Oh wow. It's nice, guys. You will see. Assalamualaikum. दुबई से एंजेला व्लॉग का सलाम आप सबको. गाइज मैं आज अल गुरेल रीगा में आई हूँ अपनी दोस्त के साथ, क्रिस्टिन के साथ. आपको विजिट करवाऊंगी ऑल ओवर द प्लेस. मेरे साथ रहिएगा और बस देखते जाइए हम क्या क्या देखते हैं. Yes, now where we'll go? Where we are going? We'll go
Upstairs.
now upstairs. Talk something now. Guys, this lady is also one of the biggest fan of Pakistani. Very soon she will gonna to marry, and you guys will see me in front of her marriage. I will dance very nicely. Don't shy now, but this anybody. Guys, I'm coming up already. We are here in the theater on the first floor.
Right now we're going to find the gym here in Al Guler Mall because I'm just curious about.
We are curious about the gym and curious about the half husband. Have to tell you. Oh no, don't make face. No, I'm not. Guys, this lady don't want to remove the mask, but every time whenever I'll be out, I want to remove it. No, but I cannot breathe also with this, mask. No,
We can go from here. No?
okay. So after that we have a plan to go somewhere.
Somewhere to eat.
Somewhere to
eat.
Of
I get
course.
lost a day without eating.
Yeah, so very soon I'm gonna to busy as well. My new job will be started on Thursday. So might be we don't have a time to see each other.
Yeah? We still have.
They are.
Always.
Yeah.
Always have. If you want it, you can make it.
Yeah, principal. No, this is my teacher. Guys, I'm gonna to show you my principal also. But she's my teacher. I have a administrator also, I will show. But you guys know all of them.
Very soon.
Very soon I will be there in Dubai Mall again. I don't know why I love Dubai Mall too much. Because that's why you guys see me always there. And all over my staff asking me, why are you coming every day here?
Your heart lives there.
My lips?
Lives.
Leaves. English problem. Now listening skill problem also sometimes.
No comprehension.
Now where we go,
What a bummer.
baby?
We'll go upstairs again.
Yeah, because she's really curious about to see the gym.
This is the gym, that's all.
Baby, gym is not also, what to say, free.
It's for free.
It's for free.
But the other one there is not for free.
For you free, but for me no free. For you every I know. Then why you take me with you?
What's that kind of
English is
what kind of English we have?
expensive one. Only we can speak. Chris, can you see? Guys, I'm not only the drama. You can see this Christian also because she's also living with me with 6 months. We are together. Been 6 or less than. I think 3 months. Yeah, or 4 months.
September, now 5 months.
Yeah. So they are always like blaming me. I'm the bed in Florence. What is this?
Now guys, we're now nearby in the gym.
We are nearby in a gym. Guys, let's see the gym. But I know most of the time, most of the people already see the gym. But this is requested by Madam.
Yeah, I just want to see someone there.
She wanted to see someone. Who's there?
I don't have any idea really. I was just born yesterday.
Okay.
Let's have a look inside, guys.
Yeah. See these old places also not busy. Wherever I go,
Someone is there. I think I already saw him there.
guys, just see the gym. No, that side not. It's here. Where is it?
Use your eyes
Yeah,
For a
I will
while.
use my eyes.
and senses for a while.
Okay.
Where he is?
Are you sure
Yeah.
he's here?
What? Just to check.
Can I go also inside? Only one time I will
No.
do something.
It's not allowed.
Okay, instead of you, na, I will go.
Where is he?
Where is he? Her half husband is there. She's look around, but where is he?
I
Where?
don't know where he is. Ah, they have glass. I think he is there inside.
So we are not allowed to go inside. You see, it's closed.
It's not allowed.
Maybe another side we will go. And up,
Where?
this is behind. Another side also have a glass. I guess we'll go from another side.
So, where is he? Where is that guy?
I really don't know how I know.
Don't disturb.
Yeah,
Someone is busy out there.
someone is busy and working so hard to make his body shoddy. I don't know. Dole, shole.
I want to see him.
Can you go inside to see? Let me go. Let me leave you. When he will gonna to free?
Maybe 10 o'clock like that? Or 9:30.
So
After 9:30.
he's the one to dropping you. Okay, guys. Now, Christy, where we'll go? Ah, this where? This one.
Yeah,
Is
but you
and-
cannot go.
We will go from there.
There's a pass.
There is a pass, there is a card, this is the entrance. They didn't allow you if you don't have card. Maybe he some text missing.
No. It's not allowed, see? Only gym bodies are there.
Gym bodies. But I see the ladies also. I don't know why what they want.
A lot of ladies.
A lot of ladies there. What is that? It's a big brand. Brand for less or brand for you?
Not for you.
Brand for you.
For you.
Brands for me? Okay, thank you so much. I will
Show
be.
you something.
Okay. Guys, she have something to. Oh wow. She only
Just for you.
Ay,
No, I thought it's missing. It's what's there? What's there? When I open it, nothing.
what is that?
This is what I bought.
Guys, she bought this one. Opened it.
This one. I got budul there. Because of Kuya, I got budul.
How much of this one?
300 plus.
Okay. Guys, where is guys?
This is random video. Random.
What? She bought this one. 300 plus.
This 300 plus, but it's discounted.
It's
Kuya
already
gave it to
discarded.
me.
Yes, Kuya gave it to her. Very
1 point
soon.
something.
Wow, now all of my staff are planning to buying gold. I don't know what happened to them.
Yeah, because the value of gold is increasing,
Now,
right?
now, every time I think so.
Yeah, every day, day by day.
Day by day. Yalla, let's go to there. Or you wanna to wait?
No, I don't want to wait him.
No need, no? Yeah.
Let's go
Then
run. I know now where we will go.
where?
There, down.
Down
The
for.
shop upstairs.
Okay, then I will stop.
Yeah, we can stop.
Or no?
Yeah, then we will have our chance to...
Okay, guys, we will go down to visit some shop. Once we reach on that particular shop, we'll come back to show you
We'll
also.
get back to you guys.
Guys, we'll get back to you also, and we will show you what we are watching, seeing. We're together. Yalla, see you. Okay, guys, this lady will come back. She visit the washroom. She wanted to see the washroom, how it look like from inside. So,
Where can we go down? Okay.
down.
Here.
Yeah, okay. Again down. Again down.
Because the shop is there.
Which shop, by the way? Huh?
Please sit like this.
Why you have like so much jewelry, by the way?
No, not jewelry. It's only like, cosmetics. I just want to look at them. Because they're very fun.
Why you running, by the way? Zone 1. What is that? I didn't see. I don't know what's inside. Maybe same like a momoso. Oh, everything is like 1 dirham, 2 dirham. Can we see first?
Yeah.
Zone 1, guys. So far, I will see there is like a things you will find like 1 dirham and 2
There
dirham.
inside, maybe vlogging is not allowed there inside.
No problem. I say, Kuya, happy sailing. You wanna see, guys? You will find 1 dirham and 2 dirham. Hello, my friend. How are you? What is this 1 dirham? It's a cash and 2 dirham. What is 1 dirham and 2 dirham? Okay, this cashier 1 dirham, this cashier 2 dirham. Okay.
You're lucky.
Yeah. You like also? Can you say hi to my friends? Okay.
Hi.
Here.
Good evening.
Good evening. What's your good name?
One Zone.
Oh, thank you. Hello, my friend. She's also visiting the place. What's the name? One Zone. Yeah. Thank you, Ate. Just say hello to my friends. Chris, where? As usual, yeah. You know I'm crazy. This is one of my brother is also working so hard in One
Brother?
Zone.
Back in your country?
I don't know. Devi, I'm only appreciate those who work very hard, same like me.
It's only 50.
Yeah, it's also like a reasonable price, no?
Huh?
All the things is like in a reasonable price, but I'm not interested in copies and guys. Partly, no, I already started. No need. Maybe I already like educated.
Wow.
By my mouse.
By your mouse.
By my mouth. I know, but happy sailing.
Again?
Know what to do. This is my favorite dialogue. Okay, let's
Say that
go.
to Kuya. Kuya, happy selling. Tell him like that.
No customer, now how happy sailing? It's only like duppy sailing. Empty sailing. Oh, this Kuya. Yes, Kuya, happy sailing. Kuya also go for gym, I think. After work. Yalla, thank you.
Enough.
We'll come back.
Seem like customer. Also, your customers there. Most of your customers there. Yeah, we will come back. But the truth is what?
Because this is all, this make us seem like it's a false hope. Yes.
Right?
No, it's not a false hope.
Yeah, it is.
This is only like ending the ending way of the.
You're not sure. You're not also sure whenever you're talking that like that also.
Ooh,
Think that way?
baby, this is like a
You don't.
ending. Once you out, we like it so much. Okay, we will come back.
So whenever the customer is saying that to you or telling that
But
to you,
I'm not
what you
waiting.
felt?
You guys are waiting so long for the my customer will come back. I never ever wait. If customer will told me I will come back, okay. I know you didn't come back.
That's your mindset.
Yeah, so no need
Kind
to.
of mindset.
So this lady, she waiting for until closing.
But see,
Sometime,
most of them is coming back.
sometime,
Because I
not
didn't
most of. Borders bookstore. Marks. You wanna see something from inside the Marks? Ah. This lady likes everything, whatever. Chris, for what? Hello. Winter is not yet, na?
No, it's coming now.
When?
That's what they're selling.
When? Where is the winter? Where? Where?
See? Long sleeves everywhere.
Yeah. Momoso. Very small. Thank you.
You will miss my look.
Can you remove your anu? This is
Because I don't have I look so pale.
no. You didn't look. See, camera effect very good.
Okay.
Oh, carry forward.
Yeah, correct.
We'll go inside. We will buy water. Yeah. I'm thirsty also. Yalla, let's go inside. Yalla, guys, we will go to inside of the Carrefour. We wanted to buy juice or water because I'm feeling thirsty. She's also thirsty. No? Excuse me.
Positive. Positive.
Where? Hey guys, Christian wanted to visit this place. It seemed like a stone jewelry, something be like that. So I don't know. They allow me to do vlog inside. Hello. Is the like this? Okay.
Same thing.
See this lady? It seems like a stone, and I think like expensive. What to call them? Like kind of stones. It's something like with charms, with happy charms or with lucky charm like that. Okay. Let's just have a look also. Actually, I'm not used to this kind of things.
It doesn't have this. This listing. This is amethyst.
Oh, okay.
Selenite.
So, yeah, you really know.
Sapphire, the circles, yeah. Lepidolite.
English, not only me.
No, tongue problem.
Yeah, actually only the tongue problem, but we can able to
See,
speak.
you can show this kind of stone here.
Guys, if somebody is interested in like this kind of thing, just to visit this place, I don't know what the name of, just to visit that one.
Proyecto.
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 Proyecto. Okay. So, she wanted to visit this place. Baby, you only wanted to see right now, or you want to, you're interested to buy also? Oh, okay. Right now, no. But next time, yeah. But guys, I'm not really too much interested in these kind of things. I have only truly believe in my God.
Angela, just show them. Most expensive stone here. This one, what you call it? Natural moldavite. It's a very expensive one. This one cost 2,000 plus.
So you're too much curious about these stones. Yes, honey? It's really good. It's really work also.
It works, they said. Of course, if you're going to believe them,
Yeah, it's depend of your belief.
your mind will going to control.
Yes. Yeah, true,
This one.
baby.
This one is
Also,
rose
they
quartz.
write the prices also over there.
If you're going to manifest something like that, like, just think about it. Like, I'm going to achieve it. Like that.
Yeah.
Manifest something like that. Just to add some, what you call it? I don't know what to say.
To add
I'm out
something.
of words.
Yeah, whenever
Am I
she will come
working?
inside the cameras, yeah, she's out of the signal even. Out of the mind. She don't know how to talk. Yes, Chris? Yeah, Allah. Now which side we will go? Guys, long time this lady, she's feeling hungry, but yet now
So this one.
they are already this. They are see already. It's really nice. But I'm really don't have any idea about all those kind of things. I'm not to use too of that. But yeah, Christian have a lot of like knowledge about curiousness or like knowledge all about like that. Yes. That's the clothes.
I am camera shed.
Yeah, but she sometimes she really like to support us. She's the one to take our video whenever me and this Namilos make the Namilos make the video. Yes, so she's our photographer, choreographer. What else? Right now, no mistake.
Choreographer.
Yeah, it's okay now.
Very nice.
No
Achievement.
mistake.
Oh my god.
And improvement.
I'm so proud of you.
Improvement. Ah, there is a center point. Now where we have to go? Where?
I'll just wait for someone here.
Okay guys, now we will go to the food court
Again?
or we will went somewhere so we have some food, so we're gonna to share our food also with you guys. So till then, see you there. Bye. Guys, right now we are here. See with the honey. Oh wow, and he's really nice guy to taste us with this honey. Oh yeah, brother, what kind of honey is this one?
It's good for baby, for only 16.
Oh,
It's seeded.
He did. Mountain.
okay, very nice. Yeah, very thick also.
Honey with black seed. Honey with
Yeah, it's very nice also. I already tasted it, guys. It's really nice. See? Wow.
Show Kuya also. Show Kuya also. Yeah.
Very nice. And it's tasty also.
See, it's very thick. See, it's very thick. The texture is very thick.
And it seems like it's really pure honey. What else? Can I try this one also? This one. It's with the ginger. I think the ginger one is really good for if you have like
Can I
cough,
try
for
it
cough.
also? Yeah. Yeah.
this Kuya is really nice to give us this one for testing. And this lady along with me. How is it?
This is very good. Oh my god. Camera is on me.
This is with the saffron.
Yes,
Guys,
I think it's really good for cough.
yeah, it's have it. I just to show around once. This is the shop name. If you want, just to visit this place in Al Ghurair. See, Ate is coming here also to try. This is with the
Show
saffron.
them also.
Honey for kids. It's really nice. That's yeah, she is this Maganda beautiful. Ate also there to taste. Ate, can you say hi? She's beautiful.
I give you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. What is this one, cinema?
Cinnamon is good for gas, for diabetic.
It's very nice.
Also nice
The best one.
with the cinema. Guys, actually all of this one is really nice. Which one will taste is really nice with the cinnamon, with the ginger. Amazing, very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, brother, to tasting us this honey. But it's bitter sweet for me. But it's a honey, of course it will be sweet. This is for what? With the black pepper.
Jim and married. What married?
See this lady?
Look at the name. Read it. Special mix for Jim and married.
Yeah.
That's why he's asking me if I'm already married. And I said yes.
Of course.
With husband.
Today,
One is die and second with him. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. So guys, we will see you another place. We will go somewhere to eat. We had dinner. So once we'll reach there, I will come back to show you also, share with you also. Till then, bye bye.